First things first, here we have our canopies, and hand painted still, but with a matte white acrylic sort of overlay. Another couple of coats. There are 4 coats. I kept it thin, and you can see that darker pinky colour coming through all the same. So there they are. I wanted matte because it is an undercoat, it's a base coat, it's going to get sprayed with gloss. So here we have Edward mask. I'm sure that is the right thing, you know, when you're just not quite certain. And there's our lovely little Edward the Knight. And that. I've never used one of these before, so this could turn messy, and there's no way back. That means I'm going to have to just go slowly and carefully and with great stealth, I suppose. I got these mail order. They didn't actually take long. It took a long time to find them. A company in Lowestoft, I've forgotten their name. They are a great company. They have billions of things. Goodness knows what their buildings like, their stockroom. But the website was hideous. It took me hours just to wade through it. The search engine part is diabolical. Anyway, so I'm going to put these on and we're going to see how it goes. I will do one at a time, just in case I have to back off. I won't turn the computer off, just, there we go. That's what we're going to face. I can't see them. Whoa, got there in the end. And there's our first one. I should undercoat it, shouldn't I? And then from there we can spray away. It's a little bit ragged on a couple of edges. I've got a little plastic glue applicator. I'll clean that up and press everything down, get everything into the corners. I am going to buy more of those because I'm running out and they're getting mucky. Right, I've done a little undercoat on the front, on the fore section. And now I've got these two. I will do them one by one though, all the same, just to see how things go. Well, as I was saying, I was going step by step, and this one's come out. I noticed a couple of little wrinkles. I moved on to the next one, and that happened, and that. Now they've all had slightly different treatments. This one had 9 layers of thin layers of undercoat over the pink, and then several thin layers of matte acrylic. So it's the pink colour, not meant to be pink. Pink, then white matte, several thin layers, then 9 layers of sprayed on undercoat, and then some gloss. And I noticed later some wrinkles there, and I thought I'd made the gloss too thick, but then I saw this one has had the same 2 first coats, and then it's had 6 layers of sprayed undercoat and only 1 layer of gloss, whereas I think that had 3. That's only 1 layer of gloss. This has only had 3 layers of undercoat over the 2 failed layers, and 1 layer of gloss. Do excuse me a moment. I hadn't even finished that layer. You can see the mask is barely touched, and it started to wrinkle as I was spraying. So the thinner the layers of undercoat, the more wrinkle there is. There's something very wrong with the surface of this glass, I think. It's turning the paint somehow. So what do I do about that? Sandpaper. Scrape it off with a knife. I'll see if it peels first. See if I can actually cut it into, gently slice it into strips or grids. It's all very strange. That's the next step.